Morning, guys. We've just had our delivery of the first batch of Expression Culture t-shirts and new decals.
Hey guys, big shout out to Gareth for getting these t-shirts organised, and obviously the stickers on the rear of the car as well. Really nice fit, really nice feel, and the logo spot on as well. And obviously on the back, you get the big version. So yeah, really good. Nice work, Gareth.
Hi guys, it's Mike from CF Skins. Just wanted to say a massive shout out to Gareth and Expression Culture for their amazing t-shirt design. Gotta say, branding of it is spot on, can't fault it in the slightest, looks great. Definitely looking forward to seeing you soon, mate, and catching up at some shows. See you later.
Quick shout out to the boss man, Gareth at Expression Culture. It's nice. I like it. It's comfy. That's the main bit. What's up, guys and girls? Just want to say a massive thank you before I get into what I'm going to be doing on today. Thank you to everyone for the purchases of the first batch of Expression Culture t-shirts and decals. They've all sold out, obviously. T-shirts obviously were made to order, but yeah, stickers sold out straight away as well. So got to get another batch of those made up. So thank you, really appreciate it. Eagle Eye's just there, you might have noticed. Finally got married. It was a ball ache because of the COVID situation, obviously. Wasn't really the day we planned for, but we did our best. So, on to what we're doing today. I'm doing what I believe is the first Group M induction kit on a GK5 in Europe, I believe, or probably UK. The GK5 is obviously what we got over here. We only got it for like 2 years, so it's a pretty short run. And here comes the wind, I think. Maybe. Yeah, so the GK5 we got over here is completely different, really, to the Japanese, and American ones, I believe. I think our engine's completely different, or at least some of the ancillaries or the bolt-ons to the engine are different, like for our emissions control. So there's no clue whether it's actually going to fit or it'll work, but that's the risk. This car belongs to a guy that I used to class as probably my best friend, but for personal reasons, both mine and his, we're no longer classed as friends. But I will help him out with his car. I've done everything on his car, so it only makes sense for me to continue to do so. Not only that, but as much as for personal reasons, we're not friends. I still enjoy working on people's cars and still helping people out. So it doesn't matter how much someone takes the piss out of me and uses me, I still will help them. So yeah, it's a Group M induction kit supplied by Tegiwa Imports. I found it on their website and mentioned to Alex that it might be worth purchasing. So yeah, I'm going to fit that today. See how it goes. I was going to do a full on in-depth on it, but as you might be able to tell, it's a little bit windy, and I think my neighbours decided to start cutting his hedge opposite my house. So that's going to affect the audio quality. So I do apologise. Not much I can do about it. As much as I've asked him if he could do it later on in the day, he's an old boy and he doesn't understand. So we're going to get on with that. But first, I have to go back to Old Faithful, the Mango Loco. Without this stuff, I wouldn't get through the day.
Right, there we are, ladies and gentlemen. This kit is by Gruppe M. Most Gruppe M intakes have a K&N actual filter, same as on this. I don't think this kit is for a UK GK5. I think it might be for an American one. Japanese one, my apologies. Does fit fine, does work, no engine management codes. However, the supplied mounting brackets don't really work for the car, but there's very little movement anyway, and it's resting up against the bracket onto a rubber piece, so hopefully should be fine. Again, the coolant and air pipes that are hard, whoop, not the camera, that go over the top, they've supplied me with 2 hoses. However, there are no male connections, so I can't actually delete them. So I've just attached it to the bottom end of that and then fed it into the intake. Not the greatest install, bit disappointing, but then don't know whether this is particularly for this car. Techie will sell this kit in the UK, so you would hope it is. But there is always variations between Japanese, European and American models. So I'm just going to give you a little start up, a little bit of noise. I'm not going to drive this because of COVID, but I have ran it for about half an hour, and like I said, there's no engine management codes. Woo, monster! So guys, this is the Honda Jazz GK5 Sport. This is a 2017 to 2019 run production car. The actual GK series was obviously much earlier. Started here in the UK, we got it in 2015 and ceased production last year, I believe, so 2019. They've now got the 1.5 engine in the new one, which is a hybrid. So these are 130 horsepower, I believe. They're so different to the Japanese ones. So this car, when he got it, I actually helped him buy the car. So it's got rotor slipstream 16x7 ET40, if I remember correctly. They're polished, as you can just see on those. It's on Tyne Sprint lowering springs. I can't remember what they're called. I think they're Street Z or something like that, the green ones. Spoon M1 back box. Obviously now the Group M induction kit. I organised him to get the rear windows tinted, which I think is a stupid thing on Honda. For a car of this price, this was more expensive than the EX, which is the top model, which comes with tints, sat nav, climate control, everything like that. Yeah, all right, you get the 1500 engine rather than the 1.3, which this engine is much better. But yeah, it doesn't come with tints, so I've organised that. Only the rear, so it's legal. JDM style wind deflectors stick on the outside rather than the shitty Team Hecko ones that everyone sticks because they're cheap. What else is done? Spoon, sports, radiator cap, oil cap, aluminium gear knob, which I fucking hate because it feels like shit in your hands. And I keep telling him to get a hybrid racing one, but he won't listen to me. Hybrid racing gear stick gator because they fucking drop up and down. Spoon reservoir cover. Got an Advan leather tyres, or leather, something like that. I can't pronounce them. They're really good actually. I'm probably going to run them on the CRZ once the other set run out because they are really, really good. Really quiet as well. I think that's it. Really. Oh, we did LED fog lights because you get LED headlights standard on these. Also did LED reverse lights, LED number plate lights, and the upper pieces of the tail lights. We got some Chinese shit LED ones that go down. Again, I fitted all this. Again, like I said, he'll tell you he fitted it at a car show. I think that's it, really. I'm sure I forgot something else. Cheers guys, thanks for watching the video. Please comment. I love to interact with you guys, as I always say. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It all helps. See you in the next one.